Hi guys! Ito na naman ang inyong Ate Ana na taga Nebraska, ang inyong Ate Ana na kusinera. So, ayun, nakauwi na nga tayo guys from shopping. As I promise you na every time na nag-shopping ako, sinishare ko dito kung ano yung mga sales sa TJ Maxx. Ayan. So, i-unplastic na natin kung ano-ano yung mga naipamili natin today. So, parang almost 2 months, I think, that I didn't go for shopping, didn't buy anything because I'm saving some money for my kids and family, especially to my students. My kids are both taking a course nursing, so kailangan natin magbayad ng tuition fee, ng apartment nila, allowance and everything. So nakapahinga nga ang nanay at meron silang vacation at hindi papasukan, kaya ito reward muna sa nanay. So I have my big TJ Maxx bag, plastic bag. So let's do it. I'm excited. So meron akong skincare na nabili. So ito muna yung ating paunahin. Oh, hindi pala ito skincare. Where is my skincare? Here. Ito siya na guys. So first item. So I like to try this one. It's Versed, and it's a body lotion broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen. So I like to try this one. So this is product of USA. So I'll try this one. Especially pupunta kami ng asawa ko sa Balloon Festival soon. Baka mainit, so magagamit ko yan. So dito ko na. Yan. So, second item natin, so bumili ako ng 24K Gold Collagen. Yan. Gusto kong i-try ito. And this one is only $5.99. And the lotion, guys, is $5.99. So, and then I also bought lashes, curler. Ayan, kasi nasira na yung aking Ito ay $5.99. Then, as I buy another collagen plumping toner. Ayan, C+. Ayan, so I want to try this one. And this one is, I think, made in Korea, South Korea. So, I will try this. Ayan lang ang ating skincare. So, ito na yung bagay. Next item natin. Oh, ito pala, ang price nito ay $6.99. The collagen toner. So, ayan na siya guys. Oh, di ba ang cute? Nung I think 4 months ago, I really want to buy this one, but nag-hesitate akong bilhin kasi mahal siya. So today, at dalawa na lang yung natira at siguro wala na talagang bumibili, kaya na lang, ayan, $13 na lang pala siya. Ang cute lang. Gusto ko to pag naka-dress ako. Ayan, marami siyang, malaki ang compartment. May mailalagay ka, tapos may sling din siya. Ayan. Alam niyo naman si Ate Ana niyo mahilig sa OOTD. This is perfect for my Hawaiian dress. So cute, diba? Oh. Ayan yung first bag natin guys. At ito talaga din yung gusto kong bilhin noon pa, pero mahal nga. Inaantay ko yung mga sale. So nabilhan ko yung anak ko nito last year in Denver, Colorado. So I bought this today for only $20 today. So from $29.99, it's only $20 today. Ang cute niya, di ba? Para siyang ano, yung, ano ba yung, basta mayroon siyang brand na, ano, pero hindi ito yung branded na katulad ng, hindi ko alam, bodega, basta yung ganun, ang style. Marami din siyang paglalagyan, guys. So, kaya ako nagustuhan. So, matchy-matchy na kami ng anak ko. Black yung kanya. And sa akin ay, parang ano siya eh, cream color. Urban. Ayan o, ang ganda. So, diba? Saan ka pa? Ang ganda, ang tibay ng ano. Matibay yung ano niya. Kanyang material. I like it. I like the color. So cute. So that's our second bag. Actually, I bought only 2 bags. Tapos binilhan ko rin yung pamangkin ko. So cute. $12.99 before and $6 only today. So this is for my pamangkin. And then another dress for my pamangkin. Ayan, ang cute. At nakapadala tayo ulit ng balikbayan boxes in the Philippines. So I'm gonna give this to my pamangkin. And this one is $14.99 and $10 only today. So next item. So ito siya. Binili ko. Mahilig ako guys sa pag naka-short t-shirt. So this one is like ano siya, Italy, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Ayan guys. So, gusto ko yan para sa akin. And then I also buy this one for me. And this one is extra small, $19.99, and today is only $10. So I like the color and the material. And I bought some shorts also for myself. Ayan. At mainit pa naman yung panahon. Pwede kong maisuot yan sa aming travel soon. And another short. Ayan. Ang ganda ng ano eh, material. So from $16.99, today is only $10. Did I say the price? So this one is $16.99 before, and today is only $8. So, and then I bought also a blouse. There. I like it guys because ano, there is a pineapple and heart shapes there. Basta ang comfy niya. Maganda to sa shirt or sa jeans. So yan guys, ang aking mga damit na nabili. So I bought something cute here. So look at this. So I don't have silver formal shoes yet. So today when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I'm excited. So 6.5. Medyo maluwag sa akin pero okay din. Ayan guys. So hindi ko alam kung magkano ang pinaka price niya before, but I think I can take a look. So before is $29.99 and today is only $8. O diba? Oh, may pair of shoes na ako na silver. And this is 9 West. Guys, 9 West. Ayan siya. 9 West. Ayan. $8 na lang, diba? Oh, sobrang excited ko guys. And this one. This is my favorite one too. The color. How cute. So, I have size 6 here. And this one is from, and this is Estevan, New York. And this is, how much before? Oh my god, matatapos na yung aking oras. And I don't know how much this one before, but today is only $12. Ito yung talagang gustong-gusto kong bilhin noon pa. O, diba? Ang cute. 1 inch. Ayan lang guys, ang aking TJ Maxx haul today. Ayan, thank you for watching. Bye! I love you all. See you in my next vlog.